Yeah, hi guys. How are you guys? My name is Manpreet Singh and I'm from India. So in this video, I will show you one demo website. I will create one PHP website or even HTML website. So it will be the index file where I will show you one little demo that how can you create your website first page, and it is the demo version. Okay, you can, I hope so, if you create this type of page you will create a definitely a beautiful website. So in this video I will show you how to create one demo page, and how can you upload on internet, and so that anyone can visit. And it is really unbelievable. I really learned a lot from the internet, so I will show you by this video. Okay, so first of all, here it is a page, and it is a demo page. That is enter number below, press and submit, and there is a text field, and there is also a submit button. Okay, so right now in this page I will collect one information, like I want to collect mobile number from my users, so that if anyone visit this type of website by clicking on my link, then he will enter his mobile number, and when he clicks submit, then that number will come to my admin panel. So I will show you that how can you create a user page. I will create admin page. Okay, so first of all, let's create. You have to install a Notepad++. It is a software which is free. You can install and download from the internet, and I already installed it. So I just restarting my software and updating my software. So click next, install, and it will install. Okay, so it is a very easy and simple process. Just click on the finish button, and right now my software is opened. You just click on the new file, and right now you need a sample t code. Like, you need a sample code, like for example how if you create a HTML website, PHP website, then you have to start it by this beginning. Okay, so first of all, you don't have any code, you don't have any knowledge. How can you create, how can you add, how can you write this type of code? Just visit chat.openai. OpenAI is like a chat GPT, so I will rename it. That is chat GPT. So you can create your account here by, it is a simple and free. Just write down the website name, chat.openai.com. Okay, I have already signed up. I just enter my input, and that I need HTML tag to create website. So I entered HTML tag to create website. So when I click on enter button, it will show you a code, like it is the beginning code, which include all type of tags, that what type of tag, what are their requirement, and what is the working. There is a tags. I just copied and paste, and I will save as this file on my desktop by naming it. That will be index.php, index.html. You can create any code. Okay, so I'm just renaming it. It is a index.html because I already entered I need HTML tag. Okay, so it is the index.html icon is here on my desktop. I just clicked on it, and it will show you my website. Okay, so here it is the website. It will look like a black website, like you can check it out. Where there is a welcome to your website, home button, contact home section, and etc. Okay, so it is the demo version, and I just have to formatting it. I will change the name and rename it. So I just copied the text, that is an enter name below and press below, and press submit. So I just copied that code, and click on the index.html and open it as a notepad. So first of all, I will zoom on, and I will change the rename, that is a h1 tag. You can create any type of tags like h1, h2, h3. These are the headings tags. So I already renamed it. So right now my second step is I need current number. So I will change the text of heading 2. So I'm just clicking the contact section and renamed it. So my current number is that. So I will copy that tag and I will add it as heading 3. So this is the heading 3 and it will show you as a small text as compared to the heading 2 or heading 1 text. Okay, so I can give my number. So here is already a number. So if I show you that there is a number, just wait. Yeah, uh, yeah, there is a number. Or and I also need a link like how to contact admin. So first of all, just go to the chat.open API. So I can enter that how to create button, how to create link. Okay, not button, how to create link in HTML tag. Okay, so it will show you a tag that is a href. You just copy that tag and paste on your website. So there with the help of with this tag you can add unlimited links on your website. Like you can navigate to Google, Facebook and any type of social media account. So I entered contact admin on WhatsApp. So if somebody click on contact admin on WhatsApp, then he will be redirected to the google.com. So I just open the google.com and copy that link and copy the link and paste it on my notepad file. Okay, so right now my link is working and there is a text button which I need on urgent basis. And so let's talk about how to create a text field. Okay, so how to create a text field. So I will enter text field code in HTML. When I entered it, it will give me a code of label. This is the label and there is a code of label. If you copy the label code, input code, then you can create a text field where you can get the username, mobile number, email ID and other details from your users. So I will easily copy that code and paste on my website coding. That is navigation. I have already disabled it and there is a header. There is a main content and yeah, I have added it on the main section. Okay, yeah, there is a label section and when I pasted it and you can see there is a username and there is a text button field is available. So if so anybody can write his text in this field. Okay, so you can enter or rename it by number, mobile number, email ID. So when I refresh it you can see there is a number. So I can enter my mobile number or anyone other number. Okay, so I also need a button. So how can I create a button on HTML? So I will enter button tag in HTML. So when I clicked, when I searched button tag, then I got that button tag. So I just copied and pasted in the pasted under the text field. So there is a button. So I renamed it. That is a submit button. So when somebody enter his number, then there is a button also available. Then she will click on that submit button. So his details will be sent on internet. Okay, so how can I get that type of detail? So I will show you step by step and I hope so. If video will be covered in this video, then I will show you. Otherwise, if video get long, then I will share you the next part. Okay, so there are some other things, like for example I need to decorate it. So I will search background color background color code in HTML. So I just entered only background color. It will automatically detect that you need a background color in HTML language. Okay, so just copy the style button, copy the style tag. Yes, it is the style tag. Make sure you will copy the style tag and paste under the title title tag. Okay, you can check there is a HTML head, meta tag and style tag. So just copy the style tag and search where is the title tag. Okay, in your website. And there is my title and your website title. I just copy the style tag and paste here. Okay, I pasted it here. And I want to color my website as a green color, sky blue color, yellow color, and other website. I need a background color on instead of white. I need a sky blue color. So I will click. This is the violet color. I think so it is a pink. I don't know what is the color. So I will search a hexadecimal number. So okay, I just copy that code and paste here. So it will colored as a gray color as a background. So I need one color, that is for example yellow color. And there is a yellow color hexadecimal. So I just entered yellow color code in CSS. So it is a hexadecimal code. Just copy that hexadecimal code and paste here. When I pasted that color, then you can see there is a background color and it is filled with yellow color. Okay, you can also check the color picker on your website. Color code hexadecimal. Okay, picker लिख लो. Okay, so there is a color picker HTML color code. You just click and select the any type of color. Then you can get the code of hexadecimal, RGB and HCL. So I need only hexadecimal. So there is a color and I just copy the background color as this color. And when I save it, and it will, sorry, I don't need any RGB color, so I will delete it. I need only hexadecimal code, so I will enable it and change the hexadecimal code under background color. So I need sky blue color. Okay, so it is a very good thing and my website is looking very good. So right now I will show you that how can you upload your website on hosting. So it is a free hosting. You can search this website, 000 web host. It is a powered by the hostinger. You can upload your website on this website. Yes, it is a totally and absolutely free. But yes, of course, if you are waiting that how can you create the admin panel and how can you get the details of your details which are filled by the users, then how can you get it on your admin panel. So don't worry, I will show you one I will show you one video which will come as a next part of my video. So you can check it out my next video. Okay, so in that video I will show you that how can you get all details from your admin panel. So I just click on the website name, and when I click on the website, there is a create a new website. And you can also check the sign in login and add your website. Just write down any website name and password here. And right now my email ID, and my website is twofistednoon.000. My I have entered the website name twofistednoon, and there is a subdomain name, that is a 000webhostapp.com, and I have entered my password. And it is so when you click on the manage button, you will get a lot of the features like a hosting panel. So you will get the file manager too, where you can upload your file. And then just click on the select file and upload on your hosting panel. I think there is a index.html file, so index2.php. So because I already renamed it, and there is a index.2.php. So when I click on the website name, then it will show my website that you have uploaded. So I think so. It will take some time. So, hooray, your free website has been started. Okay, so create index file. I think so. Yeah, there is a my mistake. You just have to rename it index.php. Okay, index.html. If you write index.php or index.html, then your website will be live. So, when I click on this, and I have already uploaded my file, and when I refresh it, and you can see my website is live on the internet by visiting my link, by visiting my subdomain, that is a 2 webhostapp.com. So you can check, there is a free hosting, and it is a really helpful website. You can add, you can create any type of website, and you can testing, you can do the testing. And make sure, please do not skip my next video. In that video I will show you that how can you get the input from the user, and you can check it on your website. I have already created this website, you can check it out. It is this video is very long, so I don't want to get you bored. So you can see that if somebody click his number, enter his number, then click on the submit button, then it will show you a message to the user that data has been submitted successfully. And when I click on the admin panel, and when I refresh, you can see the result is uploaded on my admin panel. There is an admin panel. Okay, so you can get any type of detail from your user on your website. So I hope so this video will help you, and after a long time I have created this video. I hope so you will like it, and if you have and if you got something new from my video, then hope so you will subscribe my channel. And please contact me if you need any type of website page, and any app, or even any digital marketing program and softwares. You can contact me for any social media promoting and boosting plans. Yes, of course. Okay, bye bye. See ya in the next video. I'm from India. If you are from India, then please follow me, and I really love you. Yeah, I like my followers, I like my subscribers, because you are the one